Good morning, children. Now today we are going to do question number 5th. Watch the video carefully. Now listen to the question. A gardener wishes to plant 8,289 plants in the form of square and found that there were 8 plants left. How many plants were planted in each row? Total plants, how many were there with the gardener, children? 8,289 plants were there with the gardener, but some plants were left. So number of plants left out is equal to 8. So with how many plants the gardener made the square? How many plants were used to form a square? Number of plants to form a square is equal to 8,289 minus 8. So 8,281 plants were used to plant in the form of square. Okay, so to know how many plants were there in each row, we will find the square root. Okay, 8,281. Two numbers at a time. So 82 means 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81. 1 remains. Bring down two numbers at a time. Here we have to double it. 9 plus 9, it will become 18. So 1 8. What we will guess out here? If we will guess out 1 here, 181, 1s are 181. So to know how many plants were there in each row, we have to find out the square root of plants to form a square. So number of plants planted in each row is equal to 91. Next, find the least perfect square with 4-digit number. Find the least perfect square with 4-digit number. We know that the least 4-digit number is the least 4-digit number is equal to 1000. The least 4-digit number is 1000. So what we will do is, we will find the 1000 is not a perfect square. So we will find a least perfect square with 4-digit with the help of the least 4-digit number. Come on. Now 10 means what we can take? 3 3s are 9. 1 remains. Bring down two numbers at a time. Here it will become 3 plus 3, it will become 6. Now here we have to choose such a number which is greater than 100, because we want to find what number should be added to this to make the least perfect square. Okay, so 0 if you will take, you will not get. If you will take 1, you will get that will be smaller than 100. So if you will take 2, 62 2s are, it will be 124. So here 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Subtract and put bigger number sign. So what is the least number? Least perfect square with 4-digit number? So 1000 plus 24 is equal to 1024. Okay, 24 should be added to 1000 to get the least perfect square with 4-digit number. Okay, therefore 24 should be added to 1000 to get the least perfect square with 4-digit number. Okay, so what is the least perfect square with 4 digit? 1024 is the least perfect square with 4 digits. Okay, children. Next, find the least number which must be added to this to make it a perfect square. Here also you have to find the square root of 6412. Then you will end up with number. You have to find such a number which must be added to this to make it a perfect square. You try out this sum. This is very much similar to the sum which we have already done now. Okay, so this is your homework. Next, estimate the value of the following number to nearest whole number. Now, you have to find the value. You have to estimate the value of the following number to the nearest whole number. Now, root of 97. Now, what are the near perfect squares? Like we know that 9 square, that is 9 nines is 81, and 10 square, 10 tens is 100, and 97 is lying between 81 and 100. 81 is smaller than 97, and 97 is lesser than 100. But which is more near? 81 is more near or 100 is more near? The 100 is more near, as 100 is more closer to 97. Therefore, approximately root of 97 is 10. So you have to do the sums like this. This you can do for homework. 250 you can try it for homework. Now 15 square is 225, 16 square is 256. So you have to find which is more near, and that will be the approximate value. Okay. Now for root of 780, you have to try out numbers of like 25 square you check out, 26 you check out. So as we know that, now children, 27 square is 729 and 28 square is 784. So 7, it is lesser than 729. 780 is more than 729, and it is lesser than 784. Okay, that is root of 780 is more than 27 and less than 28. But which it is close to which number, children? As 784 is closer to 780. Therefore, approximate value of root of 780 is 28. Okay, children? Sorry, this is 28. Again, I will tell you. As we know that 27 square is 729 and 28 square is 784. So 780 is lying between 729 and 784. That is, root of 780 is lying between 27 and 28. As 784 is more closer to 784 is more closer to 780, the approximate value we will take root of 780 is 28. Okay children, now here also the seventh one, find the least number which must be added to 6412 to make it a perfect square. Here also you have to find the square root. I'll try out, I'll do little so that you can understand. Okay, 64 means you can take 8 8s are 64. Now here you will double it, it will become 16. Now here 12 is remaining, so you cannot take it 0, you have to find something more. Okay, so you will take 1s. Okay, 161 1s, it will be 161. So 1 is plus, 1 is minus, subtract and put bigger number sign. So it will be, if you will subtract 161 minus 12, it will be 149. Okay, so 149 should be added to, you complete the sum, 149 should be added to 6412 to make it a perfect square. After adding it, just check it out whether you are getting perfect square or not. Okay children, so complete this sum. So this all for today. See you tomorrow. Thank you.